Welcome back to my channel. Going to show y'all some of my, well, the only few buttholes I got. I've got this one. It's from Redneck Nation. I've got that one from Redneck Nation. And I've got that one. I'm going to do this. I got that one at the beach, Myrtle Beach, 3 years ago. At a gift shop called the Gay Dolphin. And then I've got this one on. This one right here, and if you can see it, my gut's in the way. That one right there. It's got a horse on it. Some ones I got. But I want to get some more belt buckles, so I'll change them out. But there's that one again, that one, and then that one. And if y'all like this video, oh, and there's Haley, sorry guys. But get down, Haley Bug, get her Mason. But if y'all like this video, comment down below. If you don't like this video, or I mean if you like this video, smash the like button. Give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, also comment down below. And tell me the videos you would like to see on my channel in the comments down below.